Welcome back to the World War One to the Parag's YouTube channel. Uh, Coming to the World War One, I'm going to talk about is the famous plane which was known as the Fokker Dreidecker, which was known as the German triplane, was perhaps the best known plane in the World War One. So it took off the flight of in the July 1917. The Dreidecker triplane means that triplanes. It means the triplane in the German. So it was designed to. It was used to taught the dominance on Russia, Britain, and the France, which was known as the triplet menace. It is 6 meter long, and the wing was about 7 meter long. The weight of this plane was around 586 kg, speed 185 km per hour. The service ceiling was about 6000 meter, and the combat range was 300 km. It was a propelled by a 9-cylinder and 110 HP rotary engine. It was equipped with two guns. As you can see, there are two guns over there, right? So, but there was a disadvantage that this plane got outdated in the 1970. Coming to the pilot's cabin, I want to show you how it is done. You can see there the plane how it looks like. You will feel like as if you are sitting inside the pilot's seat. Now, now I'll show you what is the construction. Yeah, you can see the construction part, which is wing strut, the ailerons, the vertical stabilizer. There's a triplane wing, which is a Dreidecker in German. That's a meaning, and it's a hull. That's a symbol of this. That's the engine part of the where your main part remains, and the vertical stabilizer, and your horizontal stabilizers is also available. You can see it, each part of it, and yeah. Welcome back to my this one, the Britain soldier, which I almost forgot to explain it. I have discussed in my previous videos about how the French and the German soldiers were looking like. You can see like how this one looks like, the German. I mean the Britain. How the Britain soldiers fight with the war in the combat. You can see this is the way they fire it, and yeah. And with the equipment, which is the main objective, is you can see there are the Lewis automatic machine gun, the Webley revolver is present, and Mills bomb, the trench mace, which is common weapon among the Britain, French, and the German. The Lee Enfield repeating rifle is also there, and as you can see there is a binocular present there. Thank you guys. Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel Parag's YouTube or YouTube, and please share with your friends so that they can also learn this about our prehistorical history. I have finished my World War One, I think the history of YouTube channel, and yeah, please like, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. Namaste. Dhanyawad.